Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change who can tag you on Tumblr mobile. First thing you need to do is to adjust your privacy settings within the app. Now here's how we do it. First of all, open the Tumblr app and tap on the silhouette icon. That is the person's icon or symbol in the menu bar at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap the settings icon at the top of the screen that looks like a gear icon. It will open up your account settings. Next, select general settings. Then select visibility. You will see an option who can tag you. You can choose one of the there are different options under that. We have allow tags from everyone. It means anyone can tag you in their photos and videos. We also have don't allow tags. It means no one can tag you in their photos or videos. By making these changes, you can control who can tag you on Tumblr, giving you more control over your online experience. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye for now.